In today's video, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Loop up and running in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick productivity tips. Microsoft Loop is a digital workspace that helps teams collaborate seamlessly across tasks and projects. To get started, open your web browser, search for Microsoft Loop, and click the official link. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it yet. You might need to enter a one-time passcode sent to your email for extra security. Once logged in, you'll reach your dashboard where you can manage all your workspaces. Click New Workspace, give it a name and invite your team. Set permissions so everyone knows their role. Inside the workspace, create pages to organize tasks, notes, or plans. A key feature is loop components, interactive blocks like tables or lists that sync across Outlook, Teams, Word, and more. Create a component, paste it in multiple apps, and any updates are automatically synced for everyone. With Loop, you also get code blocks, planner integration, file sharing, and meeting notes, all in one place. And that's it. You're ready to start collaborating smarter with Microsoft Loop.